I always thought that these types of problems made good warm-ups at the beginning of a class period. So let's try out a few here. Here, I know that 3 plus 7 adds up to give me 0. But I know 3 plus 7 can't give me 0. But if we look at the tens place, we see there's also a spot for a carried value. So that tells me 3 plus 7 adds up to 10. Like we know, put down my 0, I need to carry my 1. So now, 4 plus 6 is 10, plus 1 is 11. Put down my 1, and we see we already have a carried 1. Well, in my hundreds column, I have my carried 1 plus 2 plus something to give me 5. Well, so far, I know that 1 plus 2 adds up to 3. So 3 plus something gives me 5. So to find out what's left, we can do 5 minus 3, and that tells me my missing value here is 2. So we see that 243 plus 267 adds up to give me 510. Now in our next problem over here, I have 5 plus something to give me 2. Well, I know I can't add something to 5 to give me 2. But if I look at my tens place, again, I see I have a box where there was a carried value. So that must mean I have 5 plus something to give me 12, and my carried 1 goes up here. Well, now we can find that missing value, because now it's 12 minus 5 to leave me with 7. So now I can finish out this column. 4 plus 2 gives me 6, plus my carried 1 gives me 7. And then in my hundreds column, it shows me that 3 plus something gives me 0. Well, I know I can't add something to 3 to get 0, but I see I'm also going to have a value in my thousands place. So that must mean that 3 plus something gives me 10. Well, now I can find my missing value because I can figure out what else I need to get from 3 to 10. That leaves me with 7. So now we can see that 345 plus 727 gives me 1072.